Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add keywords to your Wix website. All right, so first up, go ahead and go to Sites right here. Click on it. Once it loads, go ahead and open up a site that you wanted to add a keyword. Select site, wait for it to open. Now, once it loads, you can now go ahead and go to the top, click on Edit Site. Now in here, go to the top left and look for pages, okay? Same goes to the Wix editor if you're using the Wix editor. This one is the studio one. So in here, go to three dots, click on SEO Basics. Click. Now in here, go to the top and these tabs, click on Advanced SEO. All right, in here, click on Additional Tags. Now go ahead and click on Add a New Tag, okay? We'll have to add our keywords as meta tag code in the HTML code field, which is right here. So for example, we have meta, right? Like name is equal to description, like so. Content is equal to Craigslist, provides local, classified, and forums for jobs, housing, for sale, services, local community, and events. All right. Once that's done, just hit on apply and you're good to go. You can go ahead and do that on SEO Basics as well right here, as you can see. And that's basically how you add a keyword to your Wix website. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.